Welcome to BB2 Tech Solution. Here with another video on how you can flash BB2, which is POP3 with MTK Client 2. So just follow the step closely and you will succeed. If it's your first time to join this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button down on the screen and also click on the notification bell. Thanks to all of those subscribers. Thank you for always being with us. Stay blessed, guys. Let's go back to the video. As you can see now, this is the MTK Client 2 opened already. So select Tecno, select BB2, which is POP3, as you can see. Then select factory reset. Yes. Then after then, click on start. Click on start. Good. Click on start. As you can see, it's a boom mode. So for you to activate boom mode, you need to hold the volume up button. Yes, the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time. Just hold it down. Yes, after then you insert your USB cord and wait for it to load. So let's do it. So wait for your USB. You see it's reading now already. Then just wait. Once you see that line move to 100% at the down, know you are good to go. So now it's 100%. So the first part hard reset is done. So now let you erase the MTK. We'll repeat the same process. Open the app again. After existing, open, select Tecno, go down to BB2. Then this time select erase all MTK. Erase all MTK, then click on start. Then also do the same thing. Volume up and volume down at the same time. Just hold it down. You see it now. Volume down. Then insert your USB cable. Then wait for it to load. It's ready now. Good. That is it. That is lit. It's loading 100% done. So at this point, the flashing is done successfully. It's just for us to set up the phone now. So you can unplug, then switch on the phone, then start the configuration to put it to the normal way it's supposed to be. So let's on. It's loading, so let's just wait for it. It will maintain some time. So if you have not hit on the subscribe button, please do well to hit on subscribing so that you can get more videos from BB2 Tech Solution. Thank you for staying tuned. Please just watch the video to the end and see the end result of the whole process. Okay. Yes, so now let's start. Let's configure the phone so that it can be in use. Skip. Yes, wait for it to load. Next. If you wish to add your name, you can add. Yes, not now. If you wish to set, you can also set it. That's not. So let's wait for it to load. Swipe, then accept. That is it. The phone is ready. You can select your country. Select your country, then you're good to go. Just wait. Good. Select your country. Next. Agree. Next. Good. That is just it, guys. So please drop your comment in the comment section. If you also need access to this app, please drop your comment and I'll make it available for you. See you in the next video, guys. Stay blessed, guys.